Do you pour detergent straight from the bottle like it's happy hour? Turns out, winging it with detergent is a surefire way to destroy your clothes and your washing machine. So in this video, I'm going to show you the warning signs you're using too much, why it's harmful, and a simple fix that'll save your clothes, your skin, and your wallet. You probably haven't read the recommended dosage on the bottle, and even if you have, detergent brands often exaggerate how much you actually need. The more you use, the faster you run out, and the more you buy. Clever, right? With today's high efficiency washing machines and ultra concentrated formulas, using more detergent actually makes your laundry dirtier. But how exactly do you know if you're using too much? You need to look out for the 5 vital signs of detergent overload. If you notice any of these 5 signs, your detergent might be wreaking havoc. D. Demonic suds that won't die. You open the machine and it's still foaming, like a rabid dog. That's not clean. That's chemical warfare on your fabrics. E. Eerie wetness after the spin. Clothes come out sticky, damp, and suspiciously slimy. That's leftover gunk clinging like a stage 5 clinger. A. Apparel is aging in dog years. Your black tee is now grey. Your towels feel like sandpaper. Your wardrobe didn't sign up for this slow, soapy death. Your colors are fading faster and your fabrics feel stiff or scratchy. Overdosing is silently ruining your wardrobe. T. Toxic machine breath. A whiff of mildew? That's your washing machine crying for help. Built-up detergent is rotting behind the drum like a forgotten sandwich. H. Human skin rebellion rashes. Itchiness, mysterious discomfort. Your skin's not sensitive, it's just your overdosing habits sabotaging you. Once you've spotted any of these, it's time to rethink how you use detergent. But don't fret, stay calm, step away from the soap, and let's sort this sudsy situation. Suds. Never judge a detergent by its bubbles. Suds are not a sign of strength. They're just soap foam with a good PR team. When you use too much detergent, the excess doesn't bind to dirt, it binds to water. This creates suds, and lots of them. But instead of helping, those suds trap grime in the wash water and block the rinse from doing its job. So your clothes end up stewing in dirty soap soup. And that's when things get real gross. Your clothes, they might come out dirtier than they went in. Your towels, say goodbye to fluffiness and hello to weirdly stiff, non-absorbent disappointment. Your washing machine? The internals get coated in detergent gunk and start to smell like a wet sock left in a gym bag. It might even struggle to drain properly. And your skin? It's become collateral damage in your detergent overdose. That leftover detergent residue builds up on fabric, and studies confirm that even tiny residual amounts left after rinsing are enough to irritate skin and may lead to chronic issues. It can weaken your skin barrier and lead to rashes, itchiness, and inflammation. People with sensitive skin or eczema, or who get repetitive exposure, are extra vulnerable. So yeah, I've painted a pretty grim picture for you detergent-happy overdoses. But here's the kicker. This isn't just bad for your clothes or skin, it's a financial gut punch too. You're literally washing your hard-earned dollars down the drain with the grey water and the suds. And what's worse, you could be slowly destroying the most expensive thing in your laundry, your washing machine. More equals better. Here's what happens behind the scenes to your machine. Those excess bubbles, they behave like foam in a milkshake, too light to drain but clingy as hell. Meanwhile, your washer's drain pump isn't designed to slurp up foam. It's built for liquid, so suds stay behind, coating the inside like a soap scum horror film. Over time, this buildup leads to shaking, drainage problems, mysterious smells, and unwanted clothing stains. And if you're thinking, surely machines are designed to handle that, even the manuals say, don't do it. Too much detergent or softener can wear out internal parts, shorten your machine life, and void warranties. And this is all from the simple mistake of thinking more equals better. It does not. Not for your clothes, not for your wallet, not for your machine. And especially not for high efficiency machines. If you've bought a washing machine in the last 10 years, chances are it's a high efficiency model. These are built to clean smarter, not harder, using longer cycles and way less water. That's great for the planet, but it also means they're a lot pickier about what you put in them. HE machines don't compensate when you use too much detergent. They won't say, oh no, she's gone wild again, better add more water. Nope. They just run the cycle like normal. So all that extra detergent stays in there, swirling around, creating more suds than your washer can handle. That's how residue builds up faster. That's how your machine gets clogged, stinky, or straight up stressed out. That's how your eco-friendly machine turns into a maintenance headache. If you've got a HE machine, do it a favor and look for detergent with the HE Safe label. Those formulas are designed with sud reducers that actually work with the machine, not against it. Just like our Filthy Clean laundry detergent sheets. Because if you're using a standard detergent in a HE washer, you're basically throwing a foam party in your machine that it didn't consent to. So you're finally confronting your overdosing laundry sin. You're forgiven. But how can you redeem yourself before things get messier? The first thing to do is to give your washing machine some long overdue love. Run a few clean cycles on an empty drum, meaning no clothes, with a washing machine cleaner, or for a cheap, effective and eco-friendly option, white vinegar does the trick. Add 2 cups, 500 milliliters, of white vinegar directly into the drum, not the detergent drawer. Then start the cycle and let it run fully. The next time you run a load of washing, switch to using the correct dosage amounts. The easiest solution is to simply use Filthy Clean laundry detergent sheets. No guessing, no measuring, no mess. I can't recommend these enough. Our pre-measured, ultra-concentrated sheets dissolve fully in hot or cold water and are designed for both HE and standard machines. One sheet is perfect for one regular load. You can use just half a sheet for small or lightly soiled loads, and you can use 1.5 to 2 sheets for large or heavily soiled loads. Simply add the sheet into the drum with your dirty load. If you're living in the last century by using laundry detergent powder or liquids, you can try using 2 tablespoons for HE machines, or for non-HE or heavily soiled loads, 3 to 4 tablespoons max. Now, here's why I hate powders and liquids. Powders easily clump if overused or added incorrectly, leading to residue. Liquid detergent is filled with water, so the value you get is less than what you think. Both powders and liquids often contain harsh chemicals not good for the environment. Then there's the obvious problem with plastic bottles polluting the world. If you still see suds after rinsing, you've used too much. Scale back gradually until suds disappear. Remember, detergent caps are intentionally oversized. That's a sales tactic, not a cleaning necessity. Another awesome tip is to also run a washing machine cleaner cycle monthly, as I've mentioned before, even if you think you're using the right amount. This shows your machine some love that could save you in the long run. Now that you're a master detergent doser, please check out our Filthy Clean laundry sheets at filthyclean.co. They'll clean your clothes without messing up the planet.